Hi friends, welcome to RB English Academy. In this video we are about to see a topic verbal analogy. Let's get into the session. First let we see what is verbal analogies. Verbal analogies are comparisons between two pairs of words that show a relationship between them. So we will get a pair of words and we have to find out the relationship between those pair of words. It is used to test vocabulary skills, logical thinking, and understanding of word relationships. And here I have given you the basic structure of analogies. This reads as A is to B as C is to D. So A and B will be related and C and D will be related. And here I have given you few types of relationships. The first one is synonyms. Words with similar meanings. For example, happy, joyful. And antonyms. Words with opposite meanings. Example, hot, cold. And the next one, part to whole. A part of something related to the whole. For example, finger, hand. And the next one is cause and effect. One word causes the other. For example, rain, flood. So if it is rain, the effect will be flood. And the next one, function. Relationship based on function. For example, pen is to write. And finally, category. One word is a category of the other. For example, dog, animal. So with these types, we can relate the words which are given to us, whether it is in a synonyms or antonyms or cause and effect or function or category. And here I have given you few example. Example number 1, dog bark, cat meow. Example number 2, knife cut, pen write. And example number 3, sun, day, moon, night. The purpose of knife is to cut and the purpose of pen is to write. So there is a relationship between these two words and we have to find out the relationship, and based on the relationship we have to find out the another. How to solve analogies? Here I have given you few steps to solve analogies. Identify the relationship between the first pair. So first pair we have to identify the relationship between two words. Apply the same relationship to the second pair. After identifying the relationship of the first pair, we have to apply the same concept to the second pair. And step 3, check if the relationship makes sense. And here I have given you practice questions. Question number 1, tree, leaf, book. So tree is a whole and leaf is the part of the tree. And book is the whole, which is the part of the book. Question number 2, doctor, patient, teacher. Question number 3, cow, milk, hen. And here I have given you the answer for the questions. Tree, leaf, book, page. Doctor, patient, teacher, student. Cow, milk, hen, egg. Pitfalls of verbal analogies. Pitfall 1, confusing relationships. For example, thinking of part to whole instead of cause effect. So sometimes the relationship will make us to confuse. So we have to identify the correct relationship between the words. And the next one is overcomplicating the analogy. We have to think it in a simple way. It will give you the proper solution. And pitfall 3, ignoring the direction of the relationship. We should not change the direction of the relationship, otherwise the meaning will be different. Why verbal analogies are important? The first thing, through verbal analogies, we can develop critical thinking skills. It helps you to develop reasoning and analytical skills. It will help you to enhance your vocabulary skills. Enhances understanding of word meanings and relationships. And third one is test preparation, often used in standardized test. So in competitive exams or even placement drives, you will get these kind of questions. So there it will be very useful. And here I have given you few practice question. The question number 1 is brave, courageous, sad. Here I have given you a concept. Find out the concept between the first pair and identify for the second one. Practice question 2, wheel, car, page. Find out the relationship between these two words and find out the answer for the second pair. Practice question 3, exercise, fitness, poor diet. Understand the relationship and find out the answer. Practice question 4, camera, photograph, stove. Practice question 5, piano, instrument, painting. I hope you got some idea about the concept of verbal analogies. Thank you friends. Thanks for watching. Keep supporting. Thank you.